There are three types of referencing in Microsoft Excel. The first one is relative referencing. There is absolute referencing and there is mixed referencing. Yeah, so those are the three types of referencing in Microsoft Excel: relative, absolute, and mixed. So this one's I'm gonna do something like 18, yeah, something like that. So these are the three types of referencing in Microsoft Excel. The first one is relative. In relative, we don't have any constant. The formulas are changing across multiple cells. For example, if we can do relative, if I say total here, and I will say something like, and I want to add, maybe I want to add from gross salary to maybe, yeah, to bonus over there. Just adding the figures. Yeah, there is no relationship between these items. Yeah, actually I'm going to delete them because I'm going to add the real values, but these are the values from the previous document. If I wanted to do the total, I'll do something like it's equals to sum, and then I will open the bracket. I'm adding from gross salary here. I will say B3, yeah, and then full colon, and then I'm gonna click on the last one here, I3. Yes, I'm adding all those figures. But if I click here and I do the autocomplete, yeah, autofill, you see this one is B3 to I3, but if we go to the next row, it's B4 to I4, which means the rows are changing. All right, B7, B8. Yeah, we don't have any constant cell that is remaining constant. All the cells are changing. Yeah, from B3 to I3 to B10 to I10. You see that? But today we're going to learn that is relative. When cells are changing like that, when the range is changing like that, that is relative referencing. But now in absolute referencing, we have an absolute. For example, I'm gonna take all these names, Control X, and make them to start from A4 here. All right, and then I'm gonna delete all these figures. Let me reduce the, yeah, I'm gonna delete like that. So we are going to have income tax as a constant. Let's say the government is deducting a tax percent of 16, for example, 16%. 16% is 0.16, right? Yeah. So the gross salary, let's say Eric Mutuma earns like that. And then I'm gonna align all these guys center. Align center like that. Instead of name of employees, okay, I'm trying to make sure that everything is visible. So what we want to do is absolute referencing. So as you can see, the formula is that to find tax. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, to find tax is equals to income tax percent times the gross salary. Yes, income tax percent, this one here, 16% times 16% times, that's the tax, income tax that they pay, the tax percent times gross salary. Yes, so this is constant. This figure here is constant, fixed, it doesn't change. Yes, so it's gonna be income tax at D3 times gross salary at what? At C4. At C4, like that. Very important to remember that. 16% times the gross salary of Eric, 16% times the gross salary of Isabel. Yeah, like that until we reach down here at 16% times the gross salary of Violet Sifuna. Yeah, but we have to make this an absolute. But we can calculate before we make this an absolute and see how relative referencing works. So we're going to say is equals to D3 times C4. Oh, what did I do? Is equals to D3 times C4. Now, let's do that again. Is equals to D3 times C4. And then you press enter. Pop. That one is okay, but if we pull down, you will see what happens. Yeah, this is purely relative referencing, this one, where if you calculate this times this, you get this. The computer thinks now that is the drill. This times this times this times this times this. That's how it works. But to make this a constant, fixed and not changing, we have to introduce a $sign to the formula. So instead of saying just D3, which is this one, we say is equals to $D and then $3. So this $sign here makes the column constant and the row constant. So the cell at D3, this one here, 0.16, is a constant. Yeah, now the computer will do what? We'll calculate this times this, find this, and then go back to 16% times this to get this, then go back to 16% times this to get this. Yeah, so we make this a constant, this cell D3 a constant, by introducing a $sign to D and 3. $sign D, $3. So D3 becomes $sign D, $sign 3. So if we press enter and click here and pull down, we will get our answers. So if you come to the second answer here, you see is equals to $sign D, $sign 3, this one times this. So we made this cell a constant. That is how absolute referencing works. This figure here, 16%, which is 16 over 100, becomes an absolute. You get what I'm saying? So these two are the allowances. Actually, we can do this. We can cut that, then put them here. And these two, cut the 3, put them there. So we'll highlight this 2 and merge and center here and write expenses. Yeah, money out, or we can say money out. Deductions, let me say deductions. And these 3 I highlight, merge and center, and then say allowances. allowances, and then the bonus and salary over there. Yeah, so these two are the deductions, like that. Deductions, allowances. You get what I mean? These three are allowances. So to get to find the answer, or rather the net salary, because we are calculating now the net salary. Net salary is what? It's gross salary minus tax minus deductions plus allowances, yeah, plus bonus. Yeah, that is the net salary. Is equals to what? Gross, what am I doing? Gross salary minus tax minus deductions, yeah, plus allowances plus bonus. That is the formula to finding the net salary. Yeah, gross salary minus tax, right? Minus tax, and then minus deductions, like that, plus allowances plus bonus. The two are together. Yeah, so that's how we find the net salary. So what's the formula? Is equals to gross salary. You just click it, and then you say what? Minus tax, all right, minus deductions. Deductions, we open the bracket and we say this one plus this one. Those are the two deductions, they go together. And then plus, we open again, we open the brackets again, plus this, plus medical allowance, plus transport allowance, and then you close the bracket, and then plus bonus. Bonus is not visible here because of this formula, but we know that it's J4 because this is I4, this is the bonus is J4 plus J4. Then you press enter. Pop. Imagine from 100,000 to 184,000 shillings. Wow. Then you pull down like that. It's very simple. Double click is equals to C4 minus D4 minus the 2, yeah, plus the 3 plus the 1 bonus over there. Simple. So that is how we do relative referencing. It's very simple when you understand it. The thing is, you just understand where the constant is, and then it's very easy to do. Go and do these things. They're very enjoyable and you will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.